Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Gladiator battery. First, gather your tools, a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid or sparks. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. The Jeep Gladiator battery is uniquely located under the passenger seat, beneath a removable floor panel. Using your 10mm wrench, always loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which typically uses a 13mm bolt, to completely free the old battery from its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp, tightening it firmly but not excessively to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, followed by the negative terminal cable, ensuring both are tight. You're almost done. Before closing everything up, double-check that both battery terminals are securely tightened and that the hold-down clamp is firm. Start your Jeep Gladiator to confirm that the new battery is working properly and all electrical systems are functioning. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a local recycling center. For added longevity, consider applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.